At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, May 30th, 2023, 5 investors betting big on GameStop stock. 4 of GME stock's top 5 shareholders acquired shares during first quarter. Vanguard Group is the largest shareholder of GameStop with ownership of 36.4 million shares. Ryan Cohen's RC Ventures is also a top 5 shareholder of the company. During fourth quarter, a total of 241 13F filers disclosed a stake in GME stock. Shares of GameStop, NYSE, GME, stock are up by more than 35% this year on the heels of increased profitability and efficiency. During the fourth quarter of 2022, the video game retailer reported net income of $48.2 million, compared to a net loss of $147.5 million a year ago. Sales of $2.226 billion showed a slight decline compared to sales of $2.254 billion year over year. In addition, the company ended the year with a healthy inventory position, negligible debt and significant cash on hand, said CEO Matt Furlong in a letter to shareholders. This was the upshot of us doubling down on efficiency. We now have a foundation for pursuing consistent profitability, pragmatic growth and long-term value creation. Meanwhile, GameStop will hold its annual meeting of stockholders on June 15. Shareholders of record as of April 21 will be eligible to vote on 5 proposals, such as electing 6 directors. One of these directors is Ryan Cohen, who is currently the chairman of the company. Cohen is also a top 5 shareholder of GME, with ownership of 9.1 million shares as of first quarter of 2022. GameStop is currently laser-focused on cutting costs, improving terms with its suppliers, and penetrating higher-margin markets, like collectibles and toys. The company ended the fourth quarter with a cash equivalents and marketable securities balance of $1.391 billion. 5 investors betting big on GME stock. Tracking institutional ownership is important, as these large investors provide liquidity and support for stocks. During first quarter, 241 13F filers disclosed a stake in GME stock, a decline of 3 filers from the prior quarter. In total, these filers own 85.32 million shares of GME, compared to 85.17 million shares as of first quarter. Hedge funds seem to favor GME, however, as they increased their stake by 22.56% during the quarter. The institutional put-to-call ratio as of first quarter sits at 0.71, down from 1.18. That's equivalent to 13.46 million puts and 19.03 million calls, implying a bullish option stance. With that in mind, let's take a look at GameStop's largest shareholders. 1. Vanguard Group, 36.4 million shares. Vanguard acquired 400,000 shares during first quarter. 2. BlackRock, 22.12 million shares. BlackRock acquired 145,855 shares during first quarter. 3. RC Ventures, 9.1 million shares. RC's stake is accurate as of first quarter of 2022. 4. State Street, 56 million shares. State Street acquired 311,487 shares during first quarter. 5. Geode Capital Management, 3.61 million shares. Geode acquired 121,916 shares during first quarter. Thanks for watching. Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.